Hello everyone, welcome to Euron, and in this video I'm going to discuss about a new batch that we are going to launch called as full stack data science. So yes, many people were asking about this particular batch, and here we are with this one in a live mode. So let's talk about this batch timing, who is going to take your classes, how classes are going to happen, and many more things. So obviously in this particular video I'm going to clarify each and everything to all of you. So let me share my screen, guys. So I believe you are able to see this is a full stack data science batch. And if I'll talk about a batch start date, so batch is going to start on 14th December 2024, and this is going to happen in a complete English mode. So obviously a mode of delivery for this particular batch is going to be live. So we are going to discuss each and everything, whatever we have mentioned inside this particular batch in a live mode. And class timing is going to be Saturday and Sunday 12:30 p.m. IST to 2 p.m. IST. So for 1.5 hours we are going to take this particular classes, and obviously this batch is going to take approximately 5 to 6 months of time to complete, because syllabus is huge and we don't want to rush about anything. So obviously one by one, step by step, we are going to cover each and everything in this particular batch, and it is going to happen on Saturday and Sunday, so that even if you are a working professional, you all will be able to join. And again, we are going to start everything from a very scratch, so from a ABCD or 1 2 3 of everything, and then we'll try to move till Z. Now as such, there is no prerequisite at all. But yes, Python is important, because Python is a programming language which has been used widely across a data industry. So whether you are trying to get into a data analytics or business analytics, big data or data science, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, computer vision, or generative AI, everywhere Python is required. So yes, we have a Python batch as well, so you can go and check out that particular Python batch. Now here, the price for this batch is going to be 2,500 rupees, which is a minimal price that we have kept, as Euron is known for an affordability, a super affordability, I would say. Keeping that in mind, so we are trying to keep price is equal to 2,500. But yes, with 3,000 rupees approximately, you all can get Euron Plus, where not just this particular batch, but yes, you will be able to access each and every live batches, recorded batches, projects, books, means whatever paid that we are going to bring, you will be able to access it. Along with that, with Euron Plus plan, you will be able to access Euron Assist, so that you don't have to pay for a chat GPT or cloud or perplexity anything, because they are going to charge you $20 per month, $240 a year, which is a huge amount for a students or any learner. So keeping that in mind, we have given you an access of Euron Assist, but that comes only with a plan. So if you are the part of Euron Plus or Euron organization, only in that case you will be able to access Euron Assist. Now let's talk about entire curriculum one by one. So obviously, to become a data scientist, you need a basic of mathematics. I'm not saying that you are supposed to be very good with mathematics, but yes, basic of mathematics is required. So we have made sure that in this particular batch, we are going to discuss those basic of mathematics, as we will try to discuss all the algorithms. So obviously, we are going to discuss all the algorithms in a theoretical way as well as in a practical way, including a project and a deployment. So here, we are going to start with a machine learning, that is completely fine, and then we are going to move into a deep learning, then we are going to move into a computer vision, NLP, and a generative AI. So each and everything you will be able to find out over here as you will walk through the entire curriculum. So here, like I said, mathematics is important. So we are going to discuss about a fundamental of mathematics, linear algebra, probability, calculus, each and everything. And then data processing, feature engineering we are going to discuss. And then we are going to discuss machine learning concept. Inside that, obviously, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, semi-supervised learning algorithms we are going to discuss, and each and every name you will be able to find out over here. And not just in a theoretical way, guys. Once again, when I'm saying that we are going to discuss about an algorithm, so obviously we are going to discuss about each and everything in a theoretical way, because that is very much important, and then in a practical way along with some real time data set. Now, obviously, then we are going to discuss about deep learning, where neural network concept will come into a picture, convolution neural network will come into a picture, recurrent neural network comes into a picture, generative adversarial network comes into a picture, and its subsequent algorithm we are going to discuss. And then NLP, how we can leave a NLP, because entire generative AI concept depends upon a NLP or advanced NLP concept. So here, if you will come down, you will be able to find out that yes, we are talking about those things as well. And then obviously a model deployment, because unless and until you are not going to learn a model deployment, what you will do with that, right? So let's suppose if you have just built the model, but let's suppose you are not able to deploy on AWS, Azure, or GCP, or any other given popular cloud platform, because this is what you are going to do when you will be a part of a company, you're going to be a part of a project. And then a project we are going to discuss, because what you will write into a resume if you don't have a project. So we have created a project in such a way that you will be able to write all of these projects as per your need, depends upon your requirements and your domain in which you would like to work, or maybe you are already working. So each and everything we are going to discuss, and then obviously we are going to talk about a certification. So there are certain people who would like to take a certification from some other organization, a famous one, a big one, because anyhow you will be able to get a certification from Euron, and you can use it for your college, for your placement, or maybe for your next company switch. But along with that, if you are willing to take a certification from some of the organization which is very, very popular and famous and the big one, obviously we are going to discuss about it. We are going to tell you a way to attend those certification exams, or schedule, or everything about those certification exam. And then we are going to conclude the entire lecture with a interview discussions and a resume discussion inside a class with all of you. Now, who is going to take this particular class? So obviously it's going to be me who is going to take this entire classes end to end, not just one or two classes, but it's going to be me who is going to discuss every algorithm in a theoretical way, in a practical way, including a project. So yes, it's me. I'm having approximately 10 years of experience in total, and 7 to 8 years of experience just in teaching. So building a things and teaching parallel, that's my experience, along with the entrepreneurship experience that I hold. So hope all of you are going to enjoy this one. And yes, if you are going to take a plan, like I said, you all will be able to access each and everything just in 3,000 rupees. You don't have to pay again for entire 1 year of time. So hope guys you all are going to enjoy this batch, and I'm going to give you all the details. Every details are already mentioned on this particular page which I have shown to you. So please feel free to go through each and everything, and if you have any kind of a query, so feel free to reach out to us on our mail ID contact@euron.one, and we'll be happy to assist you with your enrollment and a journey. With that, thank you so much everyone. See you again in a next video.